I'm Uncle Mark, welcome to my channel. Just working on a Ford Flex, new little project I just picked up a little while ago. How do you change the air filter for the engine on it? I'm going to show you how to do that, just a couple little tricks. It's a little bit finicky, but if you follow the steps, you should be able to do it yourself. Save yourself a couple bucks. Let's get right to it. Let's get right to it. Again, this is on the Ecoboost. Now there's a sensor here I need to unplug, and it just squeezes. I'll show you from the other side. There's a little rocker, kind of a tab. You push right there, you can see that. Squeeze and give it a pull, it unplugs. That's kind of what it looks like. You can see how it works. Easy enough. Now, this wire is probably captured right here too. It's got like a clip. Didn't seem to want to come out, so I'm going to use something to force it out. It's a door panel tool. I'll put that in the description in case you want to get one of those. Very handy. Now it's got these two little clips here, and they just pull to the side. They're a little tight, and then it's want to go up, and you're going to go to the left. That's going to be kind of tight. Once it kind of releases there's fingers on this side on the right. 3 fingers. So when you move it, I'll show you what it looks like. See, they come out of there. It's not hinged. Once it releases there, just try and pull it up. You might have to manhandle it, as they say. And there's the filter. This one's actually in pretty good shape. It's not bad. I think I'm going to reuse it. So what I'm going to do is just going to tap it against something lightly. You can hear all the stuff falling out. I'm being very gentle. It sounds worse because of the cardboard. Don't want to hit it too hard because I don't want to damage the filter. You see all these particles falling out. That's not bad. Some people try and blow them out with air. I wouldn't suggest that because you can blow holes in them. And this goes back in here. So I was going to put it in there. It just slides in. You'll see these fins point down on this one. Pleats, I guess is what they are. But then I noticed, oh, there's a bunch of junk in there. Leaves and stuff. So I'm going to vacuum all that stuff out because it's going to, when the vehicle's running, it's going to want to suck that into the filter. Like I didn't have to do that, but why not? And just so the filter should fall back in there in place. And those fingers on the right hand side, those 3 fingers, should go back into the spot that they sit in. I'll show you a close-up what I'm trying to do. So there they are, a nice close-up of those 3 fingers. They go in little holes there. So again, it's going to take a little bit of persuading. As long as you don't hit the filter, you should be okay. Wiggle them in. And then these clips should just go back on. Usually you can either push from the top or give the springy part, the low part, a little push. Depends. This one seemed really tight. You might have to push down on the filter box. I tried and I thought, nah, I don't want to hurt my fingers. So I got that tool again that I used, the door clip tool, and I just lightly gave it some pressure and it should pop up. I didn't want to break anything, so it was gentle. Now what do we have to do? This wire has to go back in. The connector only sits one way. Again, so I'll show you. It can only go in one way because it's got grooves. And it should click. If it's all the way in, it will click. And I haven't shown you that, but that wire, the clip has to go back in the hole there on the box. and then I'm done. So that's going to do it for the video. Hopefully I explained it to you. Now you can see if the job is something you want to try or not. Always good to have fairly clean air filter though, especially with gas prices the way they are. Anyway, you can subscribe down in the corner if you don't mind. You'll get all the, well, any of the other Ford Flex videos that I'm planning to do. There's going to be lots of them. You can also give me the thumbs up as well. I will also put right here, just above the big bubble, blue bubble there, more videos on the Ford Flex. Some things that if you own one, you may want to know about, some things you can change on your own. Again, it's all about saving money. Until next time, I'm saying you and your family stay safe. Bye-bye from Uncle Mark. Remember to be safe. Your safety is your responsibility and should be priority number one. Also, give me the thumbs up if you like the video. Plus, please subscribe and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. If not, maybe ask for some help, one of your friends, if you don't think you can do it on your own. But, yeah, it's not going to work.